So guys, I contacted this vocational school in Finland. You know, normally before I do my video, I always do my research, okay? I don't just post video on this channel anyhow. I always do research before I post them, okay? And I contacted this vocational school in Finland, and this is what they told me, guys. They said, you were interested in knowing about programs in English. Everybody is welcome to apply to Omnia. Studying vocational qualification is free of charge, including international students, okay? I contacted them and they told me, yes, they are accepting international applicants, okay? Anywhere you are in the world, please do to apply for this, because normally I was supposed to do one-on-one video consultation with them, but due to my busy work schedule, I was not able to do that because I'm always busy with work. This little time I have, that is what I will use to do some research and also make some videos, okay? I'm always busy, because if that I did the one-on-one video call with them, I would have put it here, but I did not do it because I'm always busy at work, guys. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to Jobs and Migration TV. In this tutorial, I'll be showing the step-by-step guide on how you can apply for this free vocational school that is currently open in Finland. All you have to do is to watch the video from start to finish, because they have different courses, nursing, weather, and so many other courses, okay? Please do well to watch the video from start to finish, because I'll be showing the step-by-step guide on how you can apply. Also, I'll be showing you the requirements, and also every step is important in this video, okay? Do well to watch the video step by step, okay? If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please let me know in the comment section below, okay? I have a special gift for you. And for my returning subscribers, God bless you for always coming back to watch my videos. And I also have a special gift for you as well. Please do well to join my Telegram group and notify me that you have joined, so I will give you your gift, okay? Without further more delay, let's get into the video. This vocational school in Finland is free of charge. You are not paid anything for it. All you have to do is to watch the video from start to finish, okay? Please wait to share this video, like, and leave a question or contribution in the comment section below, okay? Without further more delay, let's get into.
So guys, this is the name of the vocational school. It's called Riveria Vocational College. As you can see, this one is for its international applicant, okay? I've been very sick ever since. That's why I have not been able to do this video and send to you guys, okay? Please, as you are seeing this video right now, please do well to apply for it. The application date is started since on the 3rd. I've been sick ever since, and that was the main reason I'm not able to do this video. I was even admitted in the hospital. I took some drip and some injection. Even right now I'm still on medication, and this application is going to expire on the 16th, and the program is taught in English on the 16th, which is tomorrow. Today is 15. Please, as you are seeing this video, please do well to apply for it, because the next application period for international applicants will be starting next year. As you can see over here, it's going to start next year January. Please, as you are seeing this application, as you are seeing this video, please do well to apply for it. That's the more reason you have to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload urgent videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I just upload a video, you will easily get the notification. You'll be the first person to get this notification, okay? As you can see, this is totally free. It's free application. You are not paying anything for it, okay? The tuition fee is free. Let's look at the application period. As you can see, the first thing is whether you are eligible. This is the application procedure. Whether you are eligible to apply, if it's possible for you to begin the studies at the start date of the education. Find out related entering before applying to Finland, okay? You don't have anything, you are eligible to apply. Fill in the application form correctly. It has an impact on your admission. The required attachment to the application form: school leaving certificate, that is your SSCE, okay? Your English test certificate, which is your Duolingo test, okay? I've talked about that before in my previous video, and also your motivational video. I've also talked about that, and I also give a sample on how you can do all these things. If you know you haven't watched that video, please do well, watch that video right now, come back here, watch the video, and then apply. I talk about how you can do your English test certificate, your motivational video. Those are the two things that you need. And also your SSCE certificate, that's your school leaving certificate, okay? Then you fill in the application correctly and then you apply for it. The application period is over. You will be asked to take an online entrance test. From application, you proceed to an admission interview. The method of assessment is introduced on the web of the page of each training, okay? Note that you are not paying anything for it, okay? You are not paying for it. It's totally free of charge, okay? Now, as you can see over here, let me show you. You can see the application is still very open right now. Please, as you are seeing this video, just apply for it, okay? Just apply, don't waste time. Apply for it before anything so that you can be able to secure your space, okay? After that, if you are admitted, you apply for resident permit and accommodation if needed. Now, let's see. This is not time for all this. Application schedule link to be from more detailed instruction will be found on each page of each training. Now, this program is taught in English. Now, let me show you something. Let me just show you. Study in Riveria. See? This one is entirely in English. Our training are arranged mainly in Finnish with the following exception: entirely in English. This particular program is for English speakers. If you are from English speaking country and you don't just want to learn Finnish, you can be able to apply for this. Okay, this one is open right now. This baker confessional, qualification in food production. You can just use it to migrate first. Later, when you get your certificate, you can be able to work and do other programs if you want to do. Okay, now this program is open. This is the main program I want you to apply right now. Okay, the rest is coming later. Just wait, I'm going to show you how you can apply for it. Just wait. Do well to check the link in the description box. I'll be leaving it there. Do well to check it out. As you can see right now, it's open. As you can see, apply to this training. You can see you apply here. This is it for international applicants. If you want to read more, you can be able to read more. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description box below. Please do well to check it out. Okay, start your studies in English and proceed to a vocational qualification in food production in Finnish. That is, you are going to finish this study in English. You can see the duration for your study is 2 to 3 years. The start date is next year, 15th of March. February, March, April rather, 15th of April. Okay, mode of study is contact teaching. It's face to face. You are going to be there. This one is not online teaching. Okay, to apply for this program, you simply click apply to this training. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. That's the first thing, so that anytime I post video, YouTube can easily recommend it to you. Like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to get the notification. Okay, this program is totally free. A lot of people benefited from this program last year, and this year now a lot of people, they are still going to benefit from it, and next year people are still going to benefit from it. All you just have to do what I tell you. Apply for it. The program is open. Let me open the program for you to see. You can see apply here. You click. Liking this video or subscribing to this channel is free of charge. You are not paying anything for it. Then what is the need? Just like the video. That's a way of showing appreciation that yes, you love what I'm doing. I see no reason why you should not like